Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix night light not working on Windows 10. First method is, type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Cloud Store. Click and expand Store. Click and expand Default Account. Click and expand Cloud. Delete first two registry keys one by one. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. If same error still exists, second method, type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Right-click Display Adapter, click Uninstall Device. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.